Hello, it is Thursday, the 31st day and final day of January 2013. This will be a very quick chart update. No guarantees that there will be a PM video, but let's get this started. Okay, silver on the daily chart. I was stating about adjusting the Fibonacci from this high to this low. And within that, of course, it's gotten above this second level, did that yesterday, and did not find support for the most part today at 3180. There is really no need to adjust the Fibonacci from here to here because it's pretty much just as important or more important to keep on with this one here, meaning for this rally to be a failure, it needs to break and stay below about 3140 for a few hours, many minutes, and then it looks like it would have that a leg lower and test the low 30s area. With that being said, however, any hold of 3180, meaning if this little small dip today below it is a failed move, and that's a very common thing, then we'll be looking for a test of this level and then a break later above it to make the next leg higher. And of course, resistance is at the high 32s in that situation. We'll move on to the monthly chart. After all, it is the last day for the month. Silver up for the month over 4%. And within this 18 average band, here's the uptrend, which started a very short downtrend or a failed breakdown, thus resumption of the uptrend in 2009, 10, and into 11. And now, of course, this band is pretty much flattened out, which really shows you the major range that it's in. It's got to really have a clear break above 40. On a bullish level, it's got to have a clear break below the support to say, hey, yeah, this 20 is likely or at least possible. So until that's the case, it's just a bunch of sideways nonsense with a bias towards the upside. Now, why would the bias be up? Because it's coming from, that's where it comes from. So if it's something like this, the bias is up, or uptrend sideways, the bias is generally up, which means downtrend sideways, the bias is generally down. Okay, final chart will be the monthly chart for gold. And the volatility this month, which was very small, is the smallest going back to 2005. Which, again, very tiny. Now, the 18 average band, consistent uptrend. It's still technically in an uptrend, but it's pretty much flat, because if you look at this blue line now, you can see that's an uptrend. It's in the process of flattening out, but just like silver, same thing. Clear break above this resistance should give us at least a test of this level, but probably, like we've done so many times within here, making new highs. And then break of this support, then maybe it might either contain a failed breakdown or a bear market, but I don't think that's going to take place other than maybe a quick failed breakdown. Again, I don't know how long this range is going to stay in place. The range could end next month, and it could end 2 Februarys from now, or February of 2014. Very difficult or almost impossible for me to figure out. So thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day and a great February. Bye-bye.